Welcome to Susie's Secret Recipes in the Little Country Store. And so guys, I always love when Richard decides to get the smoker out and smoke some meat. And so he's out there smoking some chicken breast for us for the next few days. But I'm fixing to get into the kitchen and fix us some supper. And so tonight we're going to have sausage egg roll in a bowl. And actually Richard and I put ours into a low carb tortilla. We like it that way. It's kind of like an egg roll. And so if any of you guys are on the keto diet or on watching your carbs or just trying to eat healthy, this is a good dish for you. So hang with me and we'll get this show on the road. So let's get started on our sausage egg roll in a bowl, or you can put it in a low carb tortilla, and that's what Richard and I like to do. And so start browning your sausage. Once you've got it nicely browned, go ahead and drain some of the fat off of it, and then you're ready to add a little bit of minced garlic, about a tablespoon. Just kind of spread it out so I can kind of eyeball it and stir. Then you're ready to add 2 cups of coleslaw. Now you're going to cook this down so it won't look like this when I get finished. You just keep browning, pushing down. You don't want it so soggy that it don't taste good. You want it to be a little bit crispy. As you can see, it's wilting down a little bit, and that's what you want it to do. And when it gets to this stage, go ahead and add your green onions in. And you can add as many green onions as you want. I put, I think 4. Richard's nodding his here, so. Oh yeah. Guys, this is really yummy. When I first made this, I wasn't sure if it was something that I was going to like. I'm not a real big on soy sauce, but I absolutely loved it. So when it gets to this stage, you want it to be, a little bit on the crunchy side. So this looks just about right. So I'm going to turn down the fire to low and let it cook just a little bit more. Fire out. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce, which again, I kind of eyeball that. After you've cooked for a while, you kind of know what a teaspoon and a tablespoon look like. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Just going to sprinkle it on. There we go. Almost done with that. Give me some more. Okay, and then mix it together. And there you go. There's your sausage egg roll. And like I said, you can put it in a bowl and eat it just like that, which is very good. Or we like to put it in a low carb tortilla and roll it up and eat it that way, kind of like an egg roll. And so I'm going to let this cool. And then Richard and I are going to try this out in just a little bit. While we are waiting on the sausage egg roll to kind of cool just a little bit, Richard just pulled the chicken breast off the smoker. And so we're going to see if it's Basset Hound approved.
The chicken is done from the smoker. And we're going to see if it's Basset Hound approved for taste. Ladies are first. I would say she loves it. And Jack, oh yeah, they like that chicken.
They're waiting for some more.
You want more, don't you? Huh? Alrighty, that's it, guys. They love it.
Goodness, he has to get another bite. He'll have that eaten in 5 seconds. Guys, if you would like this recipe, then click the subscribe button below and comment that you've done so. Otherwise, I will see you in 1 week with another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. Happy trails.